Yawning isn't just a sign of boredom, it's actually a fascinating way our bodies cool down the brain. When we yawn, we take in a deep breath, which helps increase airflow and lowers the temperature of our brain. This cooling effect can enhance our alertness and cognitive function. Think about it. Ever noticed how a big yawn can make you feel more awake? It's like a natural reset button. Plus, yawning can also promote social bonding. When we see someone yawn, we often find ourselves doing the same. So, the next time you yawn, remember it's not just a sleepy signal, it's your brain's way of staying sharp.